As newly revealed records show exactly how the ultra-rich can work the system to pay nothing in income tax in certain years.
That the ultra-wealthy pay less in tax than the average person.
Elon Musk paid no federal income tax. Neither did Jeff Bezos in 2007 or 2011. Warren Buffett avoided the most tax of any of the billionaires ProPublica looked at.
Nothing that they did is illegal. Everything that they did is in keeping with our tax code. And the basic reason is we tax income, not wealth.
Why is that Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, Warren Buffett are paying little to no tax? They own a business. Tax code benefits business owners. Earn no income. Why? Because income is taxed. If you had $5 million, instead of giving it to the tax man, you buy a $20 million asset. Let's say that asset is generating you $300,000. Don't you think you can invest your money better than the government would?